the sleep cycle flow. Here we go, here we go, here we go, here we go. I'm getting tired. Uh-oh. I think we're losing him. Yeah. He's a goner. Yo, I'm fading out slow, brain starting to drift. Stage 1, light sleep, 5 minutes, it's quick. That's it. Alpha, theta, theta, thoughts slide like a stream. Body floating soft like I'm caught in a dream. Stage 2, locking in, spindle sparking a scene. 10 to 20 minutes keeps the memory clean. Heart rate slowing down, body temp gets low. If you skip this phase, then your focus can't grow. Stage 3, deep sleep, delta waves get thick. 20 to 40 minutes, that recovery's quick. Muscle repair, growth hormones rise. Miss the stage too frequent, you weaken the ties. Stage 4 is REM, true restoration. Sparks immune systems, full rejuvenation. Rapid eye movement from side to side. This is the dream stage, bring the night to life. The whole cycle's 90, then the loop gon' spin. About 4 to 6 rounds before the dawn creeps in. First half deep, second half REM heavy. Stack them both right, keep the brain rock steady. Soul drift slow, let the cycle repeat. Body strong, mind fresh, rhythm complete. That's the sleep cycle.
That's the cycle of sleep.
That's the sleep cycle.
That's the cycle of sleep.
Cycle of sleep.